Hey everybody, this is Rob Warwick, a coal banker in the Waterstone community. Wanted to introduce you to the Magnolia floor plan built by Charter Building Group right here in Wilmington. We've got plenty of lots to build on, so if you like this plan, definitely flexible as far as the options. It's about 2,800 square feet, it overlooks a pond, and is packed with features. It's possible the owners are out on the walking trail around the community, the day dock to Pages Creek, or even at the pool and clubhouse, but let's see if we can't get a tour of this house. Welcome inside the Magnolia. You'll notice the office on the downstairs level. You've got a great open floor plan with a kitchen and opens up very nicely into the backyard with the pond views. In the back of the house is the master. It's got extensive trim, a beautiful master bathroom, and the hardwood floors run throughout this entire home on the bottom level. In the upstairs of the Magnolia, you've got two bedrooms that share a Jack and Jill bathroom, and then a third bedroom that has its own bathroom that leads into the bonus room, perfect for families or entertaining your guests upstairs. Thanks for taking a tour of the Magnolia floor plan. It's built by Charter Building Group right here in Wilmington. If you have any questions on Waterstone or Charter Building Group homes, please give me a call, 910-233-8888.